Here's a weird little thing on the Sonata, how to select your gear. You actually just pivot this, okay? It's a little counterintuitive because the stalk does not actually move. Great cameras on the Hyundai, always. Really nice wheel feel, road holding. You know, it's just a very solid driving car. If you're looking for transportation, this is it. It's a very uncluttered gauge package. Very minimalist design inside. Let's see what she does. Let me give her the beans. Perky. I'm gonna call that perky. Just love the heads-up display. I just think that's such a buying point for cars nowadays. Usually you just see it at premium levels. A Hyundai feature is the blind spot turn signal. I think it's brilliant. I think it should be on every car.